But I found in my wanderings bookshop, Two Brothers Books. I'm going to go in and I'm going to see if I can find you guys a treasure. So guys, here I am at Two Brothers Books, and this place is just a treasure trove. I think he's probably going to have to kick me out after a while. The unfortunate thing is he's selling and going out of business, retiring, and what are we going to do when these places are no more? That's the part that makes me really super sad. But I'm diligently searching for some cool books for my Patreon members. Are all going to get a vintage book this month. And yeah, I'll shoot a little more video of me exploring. Hey, big boy. So what an unexpected treat today. I was just driving up the Route 1 in Maine and came across this shop that I've never noticed before. And let me show you what I got. So I got way more than I should have, but I got some beautiful books, and all of my Patreons are going to get an old book from me. I spent way more than I should have, but I couldn't help it. I'm going to come back again. And I also got 3 Nancy Drew books. I had this collection when I was a kid, the ones from this era with the yellow spines, and I'm trying to rebuild my collection. So yeah, all in all, a fun day, and I spent about an hour in there and just had a great time. Can't wait to ship these out to you guys.